Patek Philippe 5811-1460G-001. Main features are case and bezel, a 41 M18K white gold case set with 100 brilliant cut diamonds, 0.74 carat, and a rounded octagonal bezel featuring 32 baguette cut diamonds, 4.84 carats dial, and 18K gold plate fully. Paved with 297 brilliant cut diamonds, 1.33 cax, and 13 baguette cut diamond hour markers, 0.48 carat. Movement powered by the self-winding caliber 26330S, which features a sweep seconds hand and a stop. Seconds function for precise time setting. Water resistance, rated to 30 meters, 3-bar. Bracelet, an integrated white gold bracelet set with 888 brilliant cut diamonds, 4.36 carats, and 150 baguette cut diamonds, 7.95 carats, power reserve minimum of 45 hours. Case thickness, 9.25 m. Case back features a transparent sapphire crystal, revealing the 21K gold central rotor and movement finishing. Patek Philippe Nautilus, Haughty Joaillerie, 5811-1460G-001 is a high jewelry masterpiece. It elevates the iconic 5811 white gold chassis with an extraordinary total of 1,480 diamonds weighing approximately 19.70 carats. Dial paved with diamonds, white gold applied hour markers set with baguette diamonds. 18K gold dial plate. Anthracite white gold rounded baton-style hands with white luminescent coating. Bracelet white gold. White gold patented fold-over clasp. Frequency, 28,800 semi-oscillations per hour, 4 Hz, balance spring, Spiremax. Distinctive sign, Patek Philippe seal.